All, welcome to my YouTube channel for ServiceNow hacks. And in this video, the topic which we are discussing is Sn Utilities, which is a tool for ServiceNow. And we'll just also discuss what is the benefit by using Sn Utilities. Let's get started. First, I'll have to go to Chrome and just type Sn Utilities. So as soon as you open the first one, which is there for tool for ServiceNow, just open this and it acts as an extension. You have to add it to the Chrome extension. It's also available in Edge and other browsers, right? So once the extension is added, see now with the extension is added and you will also get a overview of what is this extension for, and it's actually a productive tool for ServiceNow, which we can minimize our efforts daily work by using SN utilities. I'll also discuss what is the benefits of it, right? So now the uh, extension is added. Let's go to ServiceNow. I'll just open one ticket first to showcase you what other benefits we'll get out of it. So before the SN utilities, if I want to, take the caller dictionary values, dictionary field, and what is the SysID of this user, I'll have to go to this dictionary and I have to get a, dictionary information, as well as if I need a caller details, I want to go to caller and search for this SysID, right? But now it is so simple. If I double click on the caller, the utility will, pull all those details. It's a reference field and the backend value is caller underscore ID, and also the user SysID it will be pulling. So this is the first benefit you will get out of it. Then the second, which we are going to discuss, anywhere in the space area, just double click. So you'll get everything, including the choice value, the backend choice value, what is the impact value of backend, what is the state backend values, and also backend other fields. So this is another benefit which you can use. It is in the form as well as in the list also. If you double click anywhere in the space, you'll see you will be able to see the dictionary values, field values you will be getting in the list also. And if you also if you don't want to see this fields again and in a normal way, you have to double click again so that that will be go off. So whenever you need fields, choices, anything, right, you can use it. See, I'll get all the choices details here only. That is another benefit. And you can also go to background script, and the look and feel is completely different when you started using SN utilities, right? So this is how you will get it. You can go to GR and it will also suggest the script details, and likewise how ServiceNow will suggest, and based on that also you can start it. So these are the benefits which you will get out of SN utilities, and you can make a use of it. That's it for this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and support for more videos. Thank you all.